In episode 1, we said an AI chatbot writes back when you ask. Now let us name the thing you ask with a prompt. A prompt is simply your instruction to the AI. If the instruction is vague, the answer usually comes back vague. Think of ordering food. If you only say, make me something nice, the chef has to guess. But if you say, make a spicy chicken wrap, no onions, ready in 10 minutes, that is a much better brief. Same with AI. A useful prompt usually has four parts: the task, the context, the format, and the limits. Task means what you want done. Context means what the AI needs to know. Format means how you want the answer. Limits means what to avoid. So instead of saying write about exercise, say write 5 beginner gym tips for someone with no equipment in simple bullet points under 100 words. Here is the beginner rule. Do not ask AI to read your mind. Give it the job, the background, the shape, and the boundaries.